So we're going to be expressing one number as a percentage of another, and these are just going to be some work solutions. So I'll be going pretty quickly. If you find that too quick, you should be looking at the tutorial on the same topic, and that goes a lot slower and gives you a lot of detail. We're not going to do any worked solutions in terms of writing everything out. What we're going to do is use a calculator to solve all of these problems. Okay, so let's get on with it. So for the first one, it says express 8 as a percentage of 25. So the way that that's termed, of 25 means that 25 must be the denominator and 8 is the numerator. So once I know that, great, I can just go straight to my calculator and type this in. So 8 divided by 25, so 8 divided by 25% equals, and there I go, it's 32. So the first one here, the answer is 32%. It's a whole number, don't need to round off. If I wanted to round off to one decimal place, I could go like this. Okay, so next one. Okay, just created a bit of space there. Okay, so this one here, express 7 as a percentage of 30. So let's have a look at that. 30 looks like it's going to have to be the denominator, and the numerator is 7. So again, I've got my fraction, and now I can just use my calculator and calculate 7 in the fraction bar. That means divided by 30, hit percent, hit equals 23 point. If I have to cut this off, it'll be 23.3 because the next digit is small. So let's just write that down. Okay, I said to one decimal place, so the cutoff is here. I look to this number, it's from 0 to 4. That means this number stays as it is. So the final answer is 23.3%. Okay. This one down here, it says express 35 as a percentage of 250. So 250 becomes the denominator and 35 the numerator. So great, I can go straight to my calculator, type that in. 35 divided by 250% equals 14%. It's a whole number. So I can either have that, or to round it off to one decimal place, I can have this, 14.0%. Cool. Next one is 19 as a percentage of 27. So as a percentage of 27, so 27 is the denominator, 19 becomes the numerator. Excellent. So let's just go to the calculator. 19 divided by 27% equals 70.37. So let's write that down, 70.37. Remember the cutoff is here because it's to one decimal place. So here's one decimal place. I look to the indicator digit, which is the next one to the right. This one here is from 5 to 9. Therefore, this number has to go up to 4. So the final answer for number 4 has to be 70 point, not 3, has to go up to 4%. Done.